Welcome back to another Mahlkönig how-to video. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable automatic updates on your new grind by sync grinder to make sure your grinder will automatically stay up to date with the latest software. Now, before we begin, you need to make sure your grinder is connected to your Wi-Fi network. We've made a video on this already, and if you don't know how to do this, go ahead and check the link in the description and watch that video before we begin. Okay, so now your grinder is connected to your Wi-Fi network, let's jump into the menu and I'll show you how to enable automatic updates.
So let's begin by hitting the bottom left button and scroll down to User Management. Log in. I always find it easier to enable the eye icon so I can see what I am inputting. Next, enter the owner password, which is 1924, and hit Enter. So now you're logged in. Hit the main menu button again, bottom left, scroll down to Connectivity. Then scroll down to Cloud Settings. And in here, you will find a toggle for Prompt New Update. Make sure this is enabled. Okay, so go ahead and switch off your grinder and switch it back on again. Once the grinder boots up and connects to Wi-Fi, it will prompt you for a new firmware update. Here you can press the top left button to begin the update. Now, we'll speed up the footage here. This will take between 3 and 5 minutes to complete. Now at this point, it's very important not to interrupt the grinder by switching it off or pressing any buttons until the firmware update is completed. The grinder will automatically reboot once the update is complete.
So there we are. Now your grind by sync grinder is enabled with automatic updates. That means when the team at Mahlkönig release a new software update, it will automatically push it to the grinder and you can update your grinder easily so you've got all of the latest features. We hope you found this video useful, and if you've got any more questions, leave them in the comments below and one of the team will get back to you. We will see you in the next video. We hope you enjoyed that video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Mahlkönig. If you want to watch more videos, then check out the playlist on screen. We'll see you in the next video.